We're walking through the jungle here. Monkeys are everywhere. This is pretty incredible. Okay, he's just hanging from my arm. We're walking through the jungle. Wow, this guy is heavy. You guys, he is so heavy. He is really heavy. Oh my God, his tail is choking my arm. This is a trip, man. This is totally a trip. Can you hold this for a second?
Yeah, I'll hold that, not the monkey. Is it filming?
Maybe in front? It's on. We're trekking through the jungle. That was cool. Come on, let's go. Hey, come. Don't try this at home. Look at, I got monkey marks on my wrist. Come on. Guess not. He'll catch up with us later. Come on. Okay.